Hey, what up guys? Dustin Depp here. I've got a pretty cool little light for you guys today from Ambitful. I think it's Ambitful. It's a Chinese company, obviously on Amazon, but we're going to go ahead and check out their latest offering here. Now this is an RGB light, so that's pretty cool. You can change the color temperature range and the brightness, etc., etc. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. That is a pretty tight box, so it doesn't just come right out. So first off, here is the box. The packaging is actually pretty nice, even though most of it is in Chinese. Initial thoughts on the light are, wow, this is way higher quality than I expected. This here is all metal, which is very nice. So as you can see there, this is the K10. I will have some links to Amazon in the description below. If you guys could use those links, it would greatly help out the channel. It comes with this little mounting arm here. As you can see, it's got a cold shoe mount, and then it's got a ton of the screw type mounts as well. This is a USB-C light. So, you know, it's up to date at least, so you can charge it with the same thing as your MacBook. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, wow. So there you go. It's got a little display on the back of it. As you can see, it says we're at 2500K. We can change that and go all the way through. Let's see what colors we can get here. So that right there is 85. Let's turn down the color, turn down the dimness. So as you can see, it cycles through all of the different colors there. But a pretty cool light just to, you know, put off to the edge or something to cast a different light color to whatever you're doing. So if I turn down the dimness, as you can see, we can really get that color to change. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty bright, guys. It's much brighter than I expected. Fully rechargeable. So this seems like a pretty high quality piece of kit, and I will definitely be using it in upcoming videos just to cast some different colors of light. The front of it seems to be some kind of perspex type front on it, so you shouldn't have to worry about it cracking. You can push on it a bit, but it seems fairly strong. All of this is metal. Everything seems to be pretty tough. I mean, this thing feels like it'd be a tank. It's got a solid metal case around it. The only bit of plastic I feel is this little switch section right here seems to be plastic. So if you dropped it there, that might be a problem. But to be fair, this should probably always be mounted somewhere on some kind of tripod, etc. So you shouldn't have any problems there. But yeah, like I said, look forward to seeing this cast some different light in some of our upcoming videos. Anyways, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks. Peace.